Magaysay. By the way, I'm Karen Labajo. I'm the first reporter in chapter 6, which is titled and Visual Elements and Philippine Traditional Motifs and Crafts. Lesson 1: Motifs and Symbols. Introduction. Since the day man began to give shape to the materials provided by nature for meeting his rudimentary requirements, he has never been able to resist the inward urge to adorn and beautify his possessions and surroundings. All these efforts have led to the creation of motifs from different origins, organizing them and table layouts. This gave the uniqueness to the motifs used in traditional Indian textiles. Decorated motifs and symbols classification. There are times when we do not understand what is being meant by a word, thought, an act, or a thing. We need other things to describe them in order to properly understand their meanings. This is particularly true when we are dealing with works of art and in the literary world. This is why symbols and motifs are created to help us to understand. A motif. A motif is an image, spoken or written word, sound, act, or another visual or structural device that has symbolic significance. It is used to develop and inform the theme of a literary work. The concept of a motif is related to a theme. But unlike a theme, which is an idea or message, a motif is a detail that is repeated in a pattern of mirroring that can produce a theme while creating other aspects at the same time. It is closely related to a theme or a symbol and uses different narrative elements. It is constantly repeated to represent a dominant or central idea or theme in a work of art. It relates more to thought which is used to support a theme. Ang purpose of sang decorated motifs kag symbols, ang reason nga nagahimo sang symbols kag motifs para magbulig sa aton nga mahangpan kag mas ma-appreciate ang ginapakita sang isa ka sining. Ang mga motif kag symbols nagahatag ini sang kahulugan sa mga bagay nga dasig malipatan kag mabudla intindihon sa paminsaron. Most typically are used in one of three ways. A single object that appears multiple times throughout the work with most of the emphasis placed on the item. A collection of related objects that appear multiple times to emphasize the theme. A collection of seemingly unrelated items that serve to draw attention to the theme in a subtler manner. Classification of motifs. The motifs or units of a textile design may be classified as geometric, realistic, natural, stylized, abstract. 1. 1. Geometric motif. These motifs include lines and various forms such as vertical, horizontal, diagonal, and curve. They form fabric designs such as stripes, plaids, checks, and circles, and their associated designs. Geometric designs leads the eye in the design or pattern that is created by them. Number 2. Realistic or natural motif. Natural motifs portray as direct replica of things as they exist in nature, such as flowers on trees, animals in jungle, human figure, and other natural things. They are also called novelty patterns. As these motifs lack in designers' creativity and require three-dimensional platforms to copy reality, they do not find wide acceptance in apparel designing. 3. Stylized motif. These are simplified variations of natural or man-made objects that are no longer recognizable. These motifs are full of creativity, as they are the results of a designer's interpretations of naturally existing things. Stylized motifs are obtained by rearranging the real objects either by simplifying or exaggerating them to achieve the purpose of the design. Number 4. Abstract motifs. These are combinations of color, size, and shape without relationship to natural or man-made objects. They are full of color and interest to the fabric. Abstract implies an element of impression and a greater freedom that is found in most geometric designs. This type of design is used in modern art. Symbol. The term symbol comes from the Greek word symbolon, which means adaptability. The term adaptability has been thrust into the architectural world as part of the ever-growing green movement. Yet the common outcome of this message has been energy efficient and eco-friendly, appliances being added onto otherwise unchanging design. What could be fundamental components to the nature of design are often instead consideration for a checklist at the end of the design process. The solution then may not come from our design process, but from us. The budget show how it's possible for human beings to adapt productively to their environments. Higaonna Treehouse. In the hinterlands of Agusan and Misamis Oriental, the Higaonon build their tree houses of lush sapling, nipa or cogon grass, split bamboo, rattan, and bark of trees. The low roof at times also serve as walls. Wobbling catwalks connect the smaller houses of about 6 feet by 8 feet wide to a central communal room where a square box of earth serve as a fireplace and a kitchen. Such breezy and swaying complex structures, sufficient for 60 people, are held together by split rattan and were additionally built defenses against enemy. So, Higaonan treehouse is a type of treehouse na made of nipa, proven grass, and split bamboo rattan. And according to my research, the purpose of Higaonan treehouse is to help for their community para makabuli sa ila para sa ilang nga mga kaaway. It is simply uh, in simple words, ginagamit siya para batok sa mga kaaway, kumbaga panaluan. Ibatan House. The Ibatan House is made primarily of lime, stone, wood, and thatch. It commonly consists of two structures, the house proper and the kitchen or storage area. The main house has the larger area and is usually made of lime, stone, and wood and thatch. The heavier materials, lime and stone, provide better shelter from the constant rains. The kitchen or storage area is usually made of wood and thatch. So, ang Ibadan House naman, is a made primary, uh, ginhimo siya pinaagi sa lime, sa stone, wood, and thatch. Mandaya House. The Mandaya House is wholly made of carefully selected bamboo flattened into slabs and held together by horizontal bamboo strips or arata. Fastened to the single room with a small kitchen area is through a removable single nut trunk of a tree. Traditionally, its elevated floor line served as one of the safety measures against attacks from other ethnic groups in the periphery of Davao Oriental. These warring conditions made the Bagani or warrior class a high and most coveted social ranking. Symmetry art. Symmetry art is when the elements of a painting or drawing balance each other out. This could be the objects themselves, but it can also relate to colors and other compositional techniques. It is balance that is achieved by the arrangement of elements on both sides of the center. In other words, the image would look identical on either side formed through horizontal or vertical division. Because of its very structured and equally proportioned nature, symmetrical balance is best suited for if the desired effect requires a sense of order, clarity, and consistency. For the eye, the idea of balance and repetition that follows an identical rhythm is a place of rest, and this type of image is easy to follow. Ochre. The ochre motif is an exclusive artistic cultural heritage of the Marañaos of Lanao, Philippines. It is an artistic design of the Maranao native inhabitants of southern Philippines beginning from the early 6th century before the Islamization of the area. Ochre is a design of pattern often rendered or curved in hardwood, brass, silver, and wall painting in curvilinear lyrias and Arabic geometric figures. The ochre motif is an art depicting the indigenous originality and skill of the Maranos. It is a fine art of figuring, painting, carving, and sculpturing, depicting shaping the social and psychological identity of Maranao society. It is being patronized long time ago until today and possibly in the coming generations of Maranao people. Every artifact or Maranao-made ornament or device or decoration is designed with authentic ochre, revealing that the Maranaos have a distinct and original culture and civilization of being imitated from other culture.
Go.
Good morning, sir sa Magaysay. My name is Mangalas Matugas. Information on various art form. Introduction. Information in any life or art form can occur more often if it is practiced as way of encouraging creative behavior. That practice includes learning to use one's intuition as well as learning a technical understanding of the necessary skills and consumes within the domain and which one is improvising. This can be when an individual or group is acting, dancing, singing, playing musical instruments, talking, creating artworks, problem solving, or reaction in the moment and response to the stimulus of one's immediate environment and inner feelings. This can result in the invention of new thought patterns, new practices, new structures, or symbols, and or new ways to act. Improvisation of art forms. Improvisations is the process of creating new ideas or a new interpretation of an existing art. Improvisation is creating or performing something spontaneously or making something from whatever is available. Improvisation is the performing arts. It's a very spontaneous performance without specific or scripted preparation. The skills of improvisation can apply to many different faculties across all artistic, scientific, physical, cognitive, academic, and non-academic disciplines. Espolon 1963. Improvisation is a form of research, a way of peering into the complex natural system that is a human being. It is a sense of another way of thinking, but one that produces ideas impossible to conceive in stillness. The Spain 2003. Techniques of improvisation are widely used in training for performing arts or entertainment. For example, music trained in dance to extemporize or ad-lib is basically the same as improvising. Colloquial terms such as display it by the car, take it as comes, and make it up as we doing are all used to describe improvisation. Modern authors fully intend for the words that they have written to be delivered exactly as they appear on the page. To actors, this is simply a fact like memorizing lines an absolute job requirement, but life is imperfect. Even the best actor will occasionally flub a line, forget an interpassage, or in other words, make a mistake. The other actors must then improvise, cope with the situation, and somehow move on the next line or scene. Without leaving out needed plot points for the audience. The viability of a career in art trigger than ever. Being able to improvise means player is inevitably more flexible and able to take advantage of different opportunities. Contact body improvisation. Contact improvisation is a dance technique which is points of physical contact provide the starting point for movement, improvisation, and exploration. Contact improvisation in form of dance improvisation is one of the best known and most characteristic form of postmodern dance. Contact body improvisation is a form developed in 1973 that is not practiced around the world. Contact improvisation originated from the movement studies of Steve Paxton in the 1970s and developed through the continued exploration of the Hudson Dance Theater. It is a dance form based on a weight sharing, partnering, playing with weight, exploring negative space, and unpredictable outcomes. It is partner dance form based on the physical principle of touch, momentum, share weight, and most quintessentially following a shared point of contact. What makes contact different from the dance in that partners are often moving in out of physical contact while rolling, springing, and failing. That find ways to enjoy the ride and improvise while mutually supporting and following each other movements. The dancing is unpredictable, inspired by the physical and energetic contact the partners share. Contact and improvisation is an honoring of every moment that is sweet, surrendering that happens when our bodies stay faithful to what's happening now. One learns to recognize and depreciate sub, subtitle impulses in our movement choices, in our partner choices. We begin to decipher the cause that we give and receive, which tell is when to lead or follow, when to go up, when to go down, where to turn, how to live with, to slow down, and when we still in this in this form, one learns to stay in integrity with each choice, never forcing, never rushing, when body, mind, and spirit are united in their instinctive wisdom. One finds oneself at home in every moment, expressing one's true nature. A lot of improvisation focus on finding a deeper way to comprehending otherwise consult thoughts or feelings of an individual thought. I drew the emphasis of instinctual, unpredictable free movement that improvisation is centered upon the mover is able to explore authentic feelings and inspiration. Contact improvisation processes a different way of being and relaxing to people, challenging normative behavior and creating communal feelings by emphasizing emphasizing togetherness and connectedness. It can have many positive effects, including enhancing awareness and encouraging playfulness and mutual support, as well as increasing the joy of life. Sound improvisation, musical improvisation. Pusta na ulit?
Throughout the eras of the Western art music traditions, including the medieval, Renaissance, Baroque, Classic, and Romantic periods, improvisation was a valued skill. J.S. Bach Handel, Mozart, Beethoven, Chopin, Liszt, and many other famous composers and musicians were known especially for their improvisational skills. Improvisations might have played an important role in a monophonic period. The earliest treatises on a polyphony, such as the Musica Encina the 9th century, indicate the part with improvised for centuries before the first noted examples. However, it was only the 15th century that the theorists began making a hard distinction between improvised and written music. Firstly, 2001, improvisational theater of improv consists of a comedic, poignant, or dramatic stage performance. Usually is a wide cast of actor and actress. These actors will use spontaneous acting techniques, including audience suggestions, to contribute to the performance content and direction. In other words, the cast radically formulate the dialogue, setting and plot without a formal rehearsal. Improvisation performance must incorporate a wide area of skills, including listening and maintaining conscious awareness of other actors and actresses on stage. It requires a sense of spontaneity, instinctive, and social comprehension to improvise without a script. It's a fact, informationally, theater has instructed many people across the walk of life for improvement in interpersonal development. A professional theater includes adaptive relations between the cast and audience. For instance, most improved groups will engage the audience by asking questions or calling volunteers from the crowd to induce excitement. This can sometimes create doubt in some audience members, provoking skeptics to question whether the act was planned all along. The professional performers work together to define the rules of the scene. Different props, uniforms, and seating are used to create the storyline. Depending on the nature of the performance, various characters' names and roles will be assigned to each actors and actress. Each of the improvisers must work together in accordance to the offers proposed by the group. Otherwise, it may entail the process of blocking, negating, or denying the scene for the developing. Some of the cast may purposefully block or break out of characters in order to reduce a comedic effect. Most improvisational performance aim to create a humorous vibe, usually by the creating unrealistic skin. Many improvisers frown upon pre-script jokes, which has caused some performance to use various techniques to curtail this process from happening. One of these techniques include roping or starting with the sounds of words and projecting one's voice until the improvised comes with the words. Otherwise, use physical gestures, accent, voice, and change to create a sense of comedy. Solving professional challenges. Solving professional challenges. It is easy to let challenges be our excuse for block creative ideas. However, we do have a choice. We can either let those constraints derail us, or we can use them as a catalyst for creative problem solving by learning. Play with them. Some of the problems in improvisational are: number one, mental blocks. As you learn your piece of movement, you will find at times you work and improvisation flows easily in other times. Improvisation is much more difficult and you feel blocked. And number two, remembering new movement. Many students have trouble remembering movements discovered during an improvisation session, but this problem can be solved through practice. Number three, fitting it all together. You also discover the movement do not always comfort in a local manner. For example, the end of the study may come to you during improvisation before the middle is completed. Number four, different in concept. If a piece seems to be talking shape in a certain direction, explore that direction even if it differs from your original concept on your work. The creative process requires that you be open all possibilities as the occur. Number five, mindset. For the number of one killer or of creativity, anything that you do, it's not easy to get put on the spot from in front of an audience and improvise. Perform and improvise in front of an audience, you become more comfortable and confident in turns focusing on the things that matters like the music itself.
Good morning, sir. Sumagaysay. I'm Josephine Sparagosa. I'm last reporter. My title is Indigenous Art. Lesson 4. Indigenous art most sensitively reflects the Commonwealth orientation, being the most located and experiencing and symbols of culture's values. The arts are the most powerful instruments of inquiry into the initial characters of a culture. It's undiscernible that the following basic concepts and attributes of art and combinations of artistic creations. Expression is experience calls to have reasons commonwealth or integrals a Filipino culture setting. Art is not which the big productions could to because that matters the artistic excellence or the creative's idea and well as making art of everyday life does. The least expensive mediums, pictures, papers of kites to recorded highly is not considered inferior to the costlier ones. Indigenous art is a Filipino indigenous art is the describes its island as a complicated as its waterway as arrived as its language is the unique as its people. Throughout the 7,107 islands, the Philippines, as they offer unique place in cultures where our forms of art and craft can flourish. Some became considered particularly by the outsiders, such as the Ifuga rice terraces, that is the native Ifugaos, bow to hands or hands versions of the great pyramid. Philippines arts may not to be as popular as other Asians art is Japanese and Chinese, but it doesn't mean indigenous Philippines art is a mix by the indigenous peoples of the Philippines. It includes work in raw materials such as extracts from trees, fruits, and vegetables. Some of art features of the Philippines are found to talk and cave trees and wood. Number 1. Architecture. Wander ever towards to heritage sites Banwick rice terraces, each wonder of the world. Curves from the height colonials over 2,000 years ago. These rice terraces were caves of the mountains of the native Ifugao people. Number 2. Sculpture is the three-dimensional artwork created by shaping or combining hard materials, stones, marbles, metal, glass, or woods, or plastic materials, such as clay. Amo na siya, amo ni ang ginaobra sang tuta na ginaobra sa mga mga plastic materials. Is the north of the indigenous traditions of sculpture survives the Justo proselytizing of the Roman Catholic Church only among the mountain people. The most important types of its quantity is the continuous use of wooden, bular or budol, crepes to Ifugao, consonants, and mountain provides Luzon. Number 3. Weaving. Weaving means to make clothes and other objects. Threads, the strands or materials are passed under and over each other. Abaca fibers describes to abaca plants and widely court certain regions in the country. It is the weavings mainly to make cinnamon, rublix, and abaca rope as a well, especially paper like vacuum, bag, currency, and tea bag. There are also handcrafts like bag, carpet, and clothing made of abaca. Number 4. Pottery. Pottery are objects that are first shapes of with clay. Then hardness by baking pottery includes both decorative and practical items such as bowls, leaves, dishes, and clamp. Filipinos porters spots of different size, shapes, and design, with the also geometrics with stylized natures deemed moped. Foundational species are made as the knit wood arise. Number 5. Body adornment. Physical ornamentations can be categorized into the 3 areas, specifically the use of traditional costume. The designs vary depending on locations, user functions of the ornaments. Since the early 16th century, jewelry making in the country has been practiced in the country. It is believed that skills of the early Filipino jewelry makings are adapted from their Asian neighbors like the Chinese. Muslim art. Islam is a religion that has long been established since the early AD 600s along with the Emirates. Around the world, it also pays to its developments of the unique styles art. Islamics, the art place emphasis are creating art forms to build and beauty and respect for the technique its Islam. The development of Islamic art in the Philippines. As the 17th century traders and missionaries have introduced the regions of Islam is the Philippines. Islamic art merges with ethnic cultures and produces a Filipino Muslims art reflects the unique background and Islamic identity of the people. During the Spanish colonizations and American occupations, Islam has been corrected mostly the South but did not have the footprints of Islamic art. Art of Filipino Muslim. The characteristic of Islamic art is obscene to human forms to tradition. Comes from beliefs that singular representations should not be used to purpose of worship. This is evidence in architectural designs to museums to Mindanao where calligraphy is used to means from of expressions, however it always gives an meaning. The only remainders of Filipino Muslims are inside mosques is the traditional stone ochre. This art from the beliefs the window in Chinese influences ochre, geometrics and floral artwork. One popular motif this forms to use the imagery of dragons or serpents. Philippine Islamics, the Burams is words to horse and head is the humans. Imagery relates Prophet Muhammad's successions to heaven. There is also other famous creatures, Sarimanoks, as symbols of Arabian's nobility. The Sarimanok is the legendary bird of Maranao peoples who is originates from Mindanao as islands the Philippines. Batik clothing and design. Clothing reflects the style colors aesthetic background as a design related Islam to use Philippines to batik clothes designs. The kinds of designs trace is to influence Indonesia's contents to abstract themes to geometrics and floral design. However, humans to animals depictions in realm motif batik. Christian art. The experience of the Christian regions is manifested to art social functions of the society. Among the art forms, the influences can be sensed to architecture, music, literatures, and others visual art. The religions becomes instruments of the creativity of Filipinos to flow in. Painting. Painters the Visayas Islands of Bohol were not to be skillful magnifications of technique. Their paintings sense to regions, sense to figures, to frontal and static positions. For the Boholano painters, the important person who is depicted bigger than. The rest of figures, Christianity drops in the human shoulders the then painting. Unfortunately, these did not design their names of work and no record its names exist. Sculptor and attraction. Gripping the crushes to close interfaces to called in retablos, the central points of Catholic Church, the retablo houses the tabernacles and image of the town's patron saints usually request to cabinets of saints tributes hierarchies of saints pending on their importance to the townspeople. Most two architecture formations that is employed to Christianity is the profanes on the churches. Next structures which is called the organically founded by Catholics and missionaries to teach to Catholic presents letters on the influences to encourage the Filipino houses that mix up the knowledge of Chinese friction. Contemporary art. Contemporary art is the art of the present which continuously is the process in flux. The distinctions to modern and contemporary arts would also be a matter of perceptions and receptions depending on context. Art expressions of the feelings toward creating something art of imagination. Non-Filipino contemporary artists and work. Maningning Meklat. She was also the Chinese bamboo. Jane's paintings and poetry is the three language Filipino, Mandarin, and English. Number 2, Benedicto Reyes. Cabrera better known to Bincab and is a Filipino painting is the was awarded National Artist of the Philippines of Visual Art. Jose Zuya was filmmakers mixed media art. Number 3, Jose Hoya was filmmakers mixed media artist and performance deans to University of the Philippines College of Fine Art. He pioneered abstract expressionism the Philippines. Number 2, Olive Olmedo was the award-winning expressionist Filipino painters. He created populist art depictives to marginalize art of the society. Number 5, Napoleon Isabelo Biloso Abubeba. More popularly known as Napoleon Abubeba is the Filipino artist. Father of modern Philippine sculpture is the only Boholano gives the distinctions to national artists of the Philippines in the field of visual art. Number 6, Gilupis Cabayal. A Rawat CCP awardee of the music in 2008 has been playing as the violin for Filipinos for decades now. His functions to allow him visits various concerts venues to country is the shares to love to classical music to several generations. Filipino musicians and singer. Amo ni ang anom ka mga singer. Victorio C. Cadades, Arturo Rogerio Los, Abdulmari Ishal Emau, Eduardo Castillo, Solomon Safrid, Leah Calonga Sens, Cyrilix Licad. Figurative art. This is one of the most popular of movements of figurative art is representational, meaning is that derives from a sales object sources. Early figurative art is the Philippines mostly realistic and classical but the modern times. Surrealist depictions of the human figures and conditions in turn. Figurative art is a visual mix of the use to some pieces erroneously are brought that drama to an otherwise commonplace events or situation. Abstract art or non-representational art. Objects from natural world and ideas or portraits using color and form. Abstract art is the Philippines emerged after World War II. During these times, modernists were steering away to the most combative styles of Omar Solo and finding new ways of experiencing themselves. Modernists received complete the support from two institutions, the Art Associations of the Philippines and the Philippines Art Gallery. Conceptual art is the movements, the idea, and its more importance, the objects, the encompasses, sites, specific art, installations, three-dimensionals, and sublimation of record is not art elements, performance, and video art. It gives emphasis the artist takings while to artwork to mentally documents of the artist's story. Some the work of technicals temporary and therefore required to documentation some to artists Medio Cross, Gabi, Barrido, Linio Salvador, Mark Ramsel Salvatos. pop sorbet and logro art. Some of these artists clothing folding Sinit Darings, Baltores, Nino, Aguilar, Manuel Ocampo. Dundi Fernandez and Philippine Streets plans the collective groups of graffiti artists as to we are analog, Basuro Boots among many others. Practice. Philippines are the modern era. The Philippines is involved into wide variety of expressions and mediums, turning the country into situations to creatives of peoples. Modern Filipino artists have more freedoms to explore on his own. This shows that loves for country is involving culture. That's all.